Mark Needham. I'm a electric operations supervisor. We were in the Arecibo area. We were working up in the mountainous area to begin with our crews. The HOC crews, the Sugarland crew, and the Fort Bend crew. The mountains were challenging just to drive up there, and we began working there the first day. I think we worked about the first 10 days up in that area. There was a tremendous amount of damage. The good linemen there rigged ways to get poles up the mountains and set them by hand. Our crews, the makeup of our crews was a fairly young bunch here, and a lot of young head linemen. I had an older head lineman from Fort Bend. Mr. Travis Wilhelm did an outstanding job. The other 2 or 3 head linemen that I had, fairly young guys, they did a great job. They learned a whole lot. I saw a lot of good leadership skills displayed by those guys, and really something we look for in a good lineman. They had a desire in their heart to get these lights on for these people, and so that makes you feel good to see that.